So today we're bringing you this lovely Jeep. It's a 78 CJ5. It's got a V8 in it, which I believe is all factory, 304 AMC. Kind of leaving it running because the battery's a little bit low. So I didn't want to shut it off just in case, because I'm a few blocks away from my shop. But somebody thought it'd be okay to put some TJ style flares on it. I personally don't feel them, but take them off. But it looks like I'm just going to leave them on for now. But obviously you can do whatever you want with them. But it's a real solid Jeep. These look like some brackets for the seats. The seats that come with it. Definitely would raise them up a little bit, so they're probably correct. But not sure what else to tell you. It's pretty basic, like most Jeeps. There's your V8. Associated stuff goes along with having a Jeep. We don't get these early Jeeps very often anymore. Someone there to tranny cooler. But they're definitely getting harder to find, especially the V8 stuff. This fender's loose, as you can see. It's not finished by any means. So this fender is not bolted on all the way. But it's a nice solid vehicle with a good windshield and no doors. Back seat has some kind of tonneau cover on it that's not in very good shape. Got lots of pictures of the floors and stuff in the auction. When it comes up, the floors are really nice. They look original. And I don't see any patches or anything like that in it. Purple horny side mufflers, bolt-on header mufflers. Those take me back a ways. Look underneath it a little bit. Sorry it's so loud, but hey, it's just gonna happen. Drive it back to the shop, and we're done. I'm not gonna really drop the tailgate. Pretty sure it comes down, but not gonna mess with it. Let's go for a ride. There's your high-low lever. Just to have you know, I'm sitting very low in this thing right now because the brackets aren't on the seats. You can barely see over the steering wheel. Sounds cool. Woohoo! And it wanders all over the roads like you might expect from a Jeep, with giant tires. My gear. A second. Sorry. Up. It's that time of the day again. Focus, little bastard. Focus. Focus. There you go. Anyway, I think it's a little low on training fluid, but I'll add some here. Let's go. Cool. Brakes seem to work okay. It's loud and obnoxious, and it's a Jeep. What do you expect? That's pretty much it. I might make round 2 for this. I'm not sure. Don't burn your feet on the exhaust. That's good. There you have it. 78 CJ V8. It's like maybe 33 1250s, 35s, no 33s. Small chrome spokes. I mean, motor sounds good. Tranny feels good. Get your seats bolted in correctly. take care of some of the little things, you'd be good. Your little rock crawler or weekend cruiser, or whatever you want to do. Hey, speedometer actually works. Look at that. Thanks for looking at our Jeep, folks. I wish I had more information to tell you right now. Brakes work good. Not sure what more I could really tell you. To me, Jeeps are pretty dang simple, basic. That's about it. It does have a center console. But thanks for looking at our Jeep.